Jignesh Mevani is a lawyer activist and former journalist serving as the representative of the Vadgam constituency in the Gujarat Legislative Assembly. He is an independent legislator and the convener of the Rashtriya Dalit Adhikar Manch. Jignesh Mevani was born on 11 December 1980 in Ahmedabad, Gujarat to a family of Dalits from the village of Mu in Mehsana district. He grew up in a lower middle-class family. His parents had become government clerks and resided in the Dalit-populated locality of Magananagar in Ahmedabad. His father worked at the Ahmedabad Municipal Corporation and his mother at the Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Mevani attended school at the Swastik Vidyalaya and then the Vishwa Vidyalaya Madhyamik Shala in Ahmedabad district. He began his higher secondary education in the course stream of science, dropped out and completed his schooling after switching to humanities. He attained his graduation in 2003 with a Bachelor of Arts in English Literature from the HK Arts College, affiliated to the Gujarat University. Mevani states that in college, he was never seen as just a Dalit student. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.